Hello everyone. Welcome to Tech with Kriti with me Kriti. Yes, in this video I'm going to explain you what is compute engine. I'm damn sure when you serve and when you look into any of the online resources or materials you'll be getting the standard definition. That is, compute engine is a way of delivering a computing power by which using the means of creating, maintaining and performing the task using VMs. I believe it's like a blah 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 one, right? So let me explain you using a simple scenario. For instance, I am running a small shop, which is a very small one. To get the goods, I'm using my own motorcycle. So I can able to maintain my vehicle, I can able to carry everything, I can handle everything because the quantity is low so that I can manage everything. So, I'm planning to open a supermarket. Do you believe I can use the same motorcycle to handle everything? What happens? The motorcycle will be it will be like a waste one, and or else I'll buy a replica of these motorcycles, which means 1,000 copy of the same motorcycle. Does this make sense? No, right? For that situation, we'll be using or going for trucks, right? So in this concept, we'll be going for renting some trucks, right? So these trucks, so for renting trucks, I actually need to do two things. That is, to specify their size and the characteristics, right? And the next thing, after renting the truck, I'll load the data, right, which means load all my resources, and then I can run the truck, and after I'll pay for what I run. And the next thing is, if I want to scale it, if I want to make it big, I can do it, and I can off the truck when it is not needed, and I can on it again when it is needed. That's the concept which is same to compute engine. You can ask me here, I'm not going to buy a own truck. It is like a virtual one. So we can call it as a virtual machine. Like the truck, I'm going to rent it. So here I said I'm going to say the size and characteristics, right. For this VM, I'm going to specify the size and the characteristics such as CPU, memory and storage, and then I'm going to load I said that loading the data into my truck, right? So likewise, in VMs, I can install the requirements which are needed to perform my task. That is about it. And then I run my truck. Yes, which means I'll perform my task and I'll pay for what I run, which means how many hours it run and what are the features I use. Same for virtual machine. And then the next concept I set is I can scale it. When I need a big truck, I can use it. Likewise, I can use a VM, I can use it to scale it too. And likewise, I said that I can able to on and off for my use. Likewise, VMs I can shut down and turn it on again based on my use. That is the entire concept of compute engine. If people ask you what is compute engine in cloud, don't get confused of saying this blah 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 definition. That is, it is a process of creating a virtual machines and running to perform my task, and it is a delivery of computing service, and I'm going to use it via Google Cloud infrastructure. Not exactly. It is a virtual truck. That's it. Thank you.